Hello everybody, Doug Burson here again, and today we're just going to talk about how to get back into the portal. I know it's been a year, at least as of the time of this video. This depends on when you're watching it, but a lot of you haven't been in the portal since last year, and just like all of us, we have so many passwords we can't remember what's what anymore. So I wanted to show you how to get back into the portal if you don't remember. And that's where you're going to go to find your engagement letters, your organizer, copies of your tax returns, all those kind of things that are there for your use, as well as where you're going to upload documents so we can do the tax return for using that feature. So let's just go ahead and go through how that works, and that way make this as easy as I can on you. So first of all, you're going to want to go to our website, which is PadgettKC.com. So PadgettKC.com, and when you get there, you're going to get to the Resources tab and go to Resources Portal. So Resources and Portal, click on Portal, and that takes you to the portal. So then what you're going to do is you're going to come in and say, okay, what's my email address? And my password, oh, I think it's this. Uh-oh, I don't remember my password. Imagine that, right? So here we are. You're in the same boat as me, and you're wanting to know how to get back in. So next, what you're going to do is click Forgot Password. And you're not a robot, hopefully. If you are, please stop watching. This is for real clients. Cars and cars and cars. All right, verify. It worked. Imagine that, and send. Okay, so now we should have got an email that helps us get back in. So let's go see if that happened. And what do you know? I got a link. So now I'm not going to share my email with you, but I got the link. It did take it about 30 seconds from the time I clicked that till it got to my email. So if you don't have it yet, just refresh, but it should be there. And once you get this, you now have 30 minutes to reset your password. So now I'm in my email. I got the email. It took it about 30 seconds to come through. There it is. So now what we're going to do is click Reset Password. And then that's going to give me the opportunity to reset my password. There we go. They all match, and reset password. Okay, so now we've been reset. We can go back to sign in. All right, now we're in, and this is what most of you will see. If you have a business that we do the work for as well, you may see some additional folders. At that point, you can go into your individual client access, and inside of there, depending on your year, you'll see your documents. So hopefully that's helpful. Go through that process pretty easy, and that should get you where you need to go.